How to customize your workspace in Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage the tabs and different folders that are available. First of all, open the application. So basically this interface will pop up when you open the app. Here on the right top, you'll be able to see different icons that are available. So simply tap on them. So as you can see, these are the splitting versions that you can use. So basically you can do this in order to manage your file. So find the best one, and here you'll be able to code easily by using the split methods. Here on the left, there will be different files and different extension that you can use in. So here on the right hand side, you'll be able to easily code it by adding the code and writing in right hand side. So this will make it more efficient in your work. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.